Green highlighter, red lipstick.
Δεν το πουλώνει.
I love your makeup.
Shut up.
3, 2, 1. Oh my god, this is gonna be amazing.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see today, I'm with a very dear friend from Greece, Anna.
Hello guys!
So today, as you have probably already seen by the title, we're gonna do the boyfriend picks my makeup with a twist. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay out a few batches of makeup like foundation bats, concealer bats, blush, and so on and so on and so on. The plot twist here is that we put my shades and her shades all mixed together, and I think you can all see
The difference.
the difference in our skin tone right now. This is like 10 skin tones deeper than I am, so this is gonna be very fun. But of course, before we jump straight into the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more makeup challenges or makeup tutorials, and I do of course a lot of reviews on very cheap and affordable brands. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this woman's here channel if you do speak Greek, because her channel is in Greek only, but I do know that I have quite a few Greek viewers, so you should definitely check her out. And of course, don't forget to follow on the social media that will be somewhere down here hanging around on the screen. And of course, without further rambling, let's get into the video. So here's everything we've accumulated so far. And as you can see, oh my god, it ranges from super pale to super dark. And I definitely don't want this. But yeah, we have a bronzer pile, blush pile, highlighter pile, loads of brows. Well, with brows I can do whether they're light or dark, concealer, foundation, palettes where they're allowed to pick only one palette and they're allowed to pick one single. And from the palette, they're telling us what colors we're using. And then we have lips, mascara, and powders. You guys know mascara is irrelevant for me because we're gonna wear falsies, but Anna really needs it, so we put it there. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole pile we have, and hopefully we get something good to work with, or we're gonna have to redo our makeup for the next video. Now the guys are gonna come in with the boxes. We have not seen anything from what they have chosen.
I'm very anxious, Georgia.
We only know that they haven't picked the Jaclyn Hill palette, like the original, because they were like, this doesn't fit in the box, we're gonna take it out. They need to show us which shade we need to have. And of course, for the eyeshadow palettes, hello Andy.
Hey.
From the eyeshadow palettes, they need to choose 4 shades, like I said.
Easy.
Okay,
Oh.
now I guess we can open that now.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm gonna kill you!
What the hell is this? This is the shade 2.
And that's my favorite foundation by far. I love you.
I'm shade 6 or 7.
Okay, so Andy has chosen the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette in the name, Armed and Gorgeous. He needs to show me which 4 shades I'm gonna use on my eyes. Doesn't matter if they're shimmers or mattes, any 4 shades. So, which ones do I use?
I'm gonna definitely choose some darker ones.
Okay.
This one.
So I'm gonna use, what's the name? Prowl, which is the dark brown shade.
The Smooth Criminal. Definitely.
Smooth Criminal is this one, the little lighter brown shade, so the 2 browns.
Then you can go for the coin.
Oh, we're getting a deep gold. I love that.
And to spice it a little bit up, the Top Secret.
Oh my god. And just spice it up, Top Secret, which is an army green. Okay, I think I can create something with these. I think that was a good combination.
So, Izzy chose Soft Glam from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And, Izzy, you have to choose.
Okay, so you are going to use, if I could see, I want the bronze.
Bronze?
Bronze?
Ah, bronze.
Ah, bronze. Okay.
Yes, and then
Choose wisely, Izzy.
wisely. Okay, so the next tweet.
Mulberry?
Mulberry?
Yes.
This one? With bronze?
No.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, okay. No, you can't change it now if you said it.
The bottom of it.
Noir?
Not noir. Noir is the worst color. Okay. I meant to say the far left.
This one?
Yes.
Dusty
this.
Rose.
Ah, okay, okay.
Yes, you can work with that. Okay.
Dusty Rose, okay.
The top of it.
Tempera. Okay, these are okay. These are okay.
Okay.
This is much better. Okay.
Thank you, Izzy.
Okay, so do you start with foundation or eyes?
Foundation.
Okay, I'm gonna start with eyes, I think.
Okay.
I'm super excited because this is actually, everything is my shade in there. And this is the EVEEEER Pro Conceal in Porcelain, which is my actual concealer shade.
I'm using concealer for foundation because Izzy, he definitely knows my shade. So pretty! I'm like a ghost. I'm definitely not sick. Excuse my English.
We excuse you. I really hope that this powder, this is the Fenty Beauty powder by the way, I've never tried it before. I really hope it doesn't actually translate white.
I'm gonna build this up.
So it gets even lighter. Nice. Do you do this with the cheek on purpose when you blend? You guys, I'm starting with my eyes because you know we're gonna be here a while, so. So I've got Smooth Criminal, Prowl, Coin, and Top Secret. I'm gonna start with Smooth Criminal, which is the lighter brown shade. Pop that in the crease.
So I'm gonna use
Very unlucky.
concealer, Yves Saint Laurent, Touche Éclat.
In your shade or not?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Maybe it's like darker than the foundation. Maybe you should have used your concealer for foundation.
Yeah. Definitely. Okay. Mm-hmm.
I'm starting with the eyes because I know Anna is not spending as much time on the eyes, so I really want to be done.
So I'm going to Naked Skin Shapeshifter. I'm gonna use this shade that Izzy picked for me
As a bronzer?
as a powder.
Wait, he picked it as a bronzer, by the way, and she's using it as a powder. Just to clarify.
Let's go for a walk.
After that, with that makeup.
I will try to use it as a bronzer. Ah, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, it's working.
So now I'm gonna use Soft Glam by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh my god.
Wait, you're done with your face?
No.
Okay. I got scared for a second.
No. But I want to move on because I'm gonna give up.
Yeah. So you have the two light ones
Yeah.
and the two... Okay, excuse me.
Oh my god! It's like gold.
Welcome.
Real gold. So I'm gonna use Tempera to all my lid.
Now, the thing is that I do have a green highlighter to pair with it and a red lip. You have a nude lip, at least. Okay, so this is everything I'm gonna do for the upper lid, and then we're gonna move on to foundation. Andy has picked the Dream Satin Liquid Foundation. You guys know I'm leaving for this. By the way, I came to Anna's house and she had like 5 brushes, and I'm like, how? How?
I don't use many brushes. For the eyes, I have 3 brushes, I think.
I'm having fun watching you.
Do you now?
So I already used Mulberry on my crease.
You're in your crease,
Yeah, okay.
And the outer lid.
Yeah, and I'm gonna use now bronze here, right here.
She's almost done with her whole face, and I'm just still putting on concealer. This is gonna be fun. The thing I'm most scared of is the powder, because it looks very white.
It's not so white.
Okay. Have you used it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. If
It's
she's
not.
used it and it's not white, then I'll be fine. I'm like digging my brush in there and there's like nothing coming out.
I think you don't see it.
But it's there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh god, I don't like this powder.
Ah,
Oh,
we have
no.
to use this one too.
I didn't want to use this one.
Okay, so since it was the same type of eyeshadow, now she has to use mine.
No.
Yes,
No.
it's the same type.
What the heck? Where? Where exactly?
That is the challenge, you have to use one single eyeshadow, and since you literally murdered the other one, she has to use the same one as me.
I'm gonna use this shade over here from Essence Melted Chrome Eyeshadow.
Yeah, it's from their new collection. I have reviewed, by the way, the whole collection. Link will be down below or up here in the cards if you guys are interested.
Ooh.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, I like it. Oh my god.
I think that's a little bit too dark for me. Oh, you put it in the inner corners.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's beautiful.
I like it. It's like
It's like diamond dust.
wet look.
Yeah.
Wow.
I've never done any sort of challenge on my channel. Never. Because
Really?
I'm too scared to fail. I'm too scared to do something that will just fail.
Look at me.
You look fine.
No. I'm going to my brows. I use Ka-Brow from Benefit. Oh my god, it's the best. The best of the best.
Moving on to blush. This is California, I think, from Benefit.
California. California.
I'm still doing my nose contour. I was telling her how much she needs to really order from collab because she's gonna use Flexitarian. You guys know that Flexitarian is bomb AF.
Yeah. Look at that. Woo! What the heck?
Now the step that I'm dreading the most. The Alchemist Palette by Kat Von D. I have to use the shade Emerald, which is the green shift. And you guys know I don't like colorful highlighters. Let's go.
No!
This is no good. It's really good quality though. Wow.
Yeah. I love this palette.
No, for real, the quality is beautiful, but when I look straight, you can see a green stripe on my skin.
Let me see. Oh my god, you're like a fairy tale!
I'm like the dust that comes out of the fairy godmother's butt.
Yeah.
They're literally both here looking at us like they're judging right now.
Okay, now I'm gonna use the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. I have extensions, eyelash extensions, but heck. Oh my god.
They're going from one side.
Yeah.
I don't know what I can do to just make this green just not be there. I just want to make this green disappear. I've not even done my brows. Now I'm really stressed. I'm really stressed.
Okay, and I'm gonna use this gloss. Oh my, okay.
Fairy gloss? That's a gloss. That's my favorite gloss from Colourpop. Going in with Top Secret, which is the army green. I mean, you can cheat and use a lip liner if you want to.
No. I don't use lip liners. I don't use glosses.
You don't use eyeliners from what I can see?
Yeah. Come on, the highlighter is wow.
Yeah, it is wow, but with the yellows that are going on my eyes, it's not very wow. You're done.
I'm done.
Are you kidding me, dude? I'm not done.
And I'm gonna use All Nighter from Urban Decay, and I'm done.
Oh, you're gonna set it in as well. Nice.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
This perfect.
This perfection needs to be set in.
Yeah.
Woo! Woo! Okay, so now that I put my clown lipstick on, which definitely suits the rest of the makeup because I have pink, I have green, I have yellow, I have a green highlighter on my face.
Red.
The red lip tied everything together. So while we were gone, so I can finish my makeup so this video can actually finish tonight, I used the same as Anna, Essence Melted Chrome eyeshadow in the shade Zinc About You. The brand new Brow Contour Pro, which is like the old sort of pens we used to have when we were back
to school.
Yeah, when we were like 10 or something. And then Fenty Beauty, I'm not sure what this is called, Stana Lip Paint in Uncensored. So yeah, that is it. If you have any questions about Anna, we'll leave her social media down below, her channel down below. And of course, for all the Greek people that are watching me, we will of course do a video on your channel where she's gonna go and take all of this off. And I will put some of my magic on her face. And of course, we're gonna be doing a Q&A. So if you do understand Greek and you wanna know some juicy details about us, make sure to go onto her channel. And of course, this is it for us. I hope you enjoyed my first collaboration with a very dear friend of mine. And as for us, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye!